Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. Today I have a Chanel unboxing. Yeah, let's open it up. It's very hard. I bought last week department store. Ta-da! Can you imagine what is inside? Yes, sunglasses. Let's open it up. Very hard box. It's impossible to open it. Okay, this is the case. Chanel case. Here is the information, the booklet, all the information about sunglasses. Anything else? Yeah. The cloth and this small bag. Okay, let's open it up. Ta-da! Yeah, the pearls, the clear version. You know my eyes are very dark. I only want the sunglasses for the UV protection. This design has a lot of pearls. This is the sticker. I'm going to remove it. That. The other one. And also the price. You know, Chanel sunglasses are not very cheap. Chanel model, clear. And what inside the case? That for this part to protect it. That's Thank you so much for watching. Goodbye. Please don't buy my Chanel sunglasses, Wizzy. You are a very bad cat. No, no, no.